Let us write the word equation for the burning of magnesium in air. This equation can be represented by the chemical equation as shown. The balanced equations need to have equal numbers of each element on both sides of the arrow. Let us analyze the number of atoms of different elements on both sides of the arrow. Thus, the number of magnesium atoms is the same on the left-hand side and right-hand side of the equation. But the number of oxygen atoms is different. There are 2 oxygen atoms on the left-hand side, but 1 on the right-hand side. To balance the oxygen atoms, we can put a coefficient of 2 on the right-hand side. Hence, the number of oxygen atoms is now balanced. But now the number of magnesium atoms is not balanced. To balance the number of magnesium atoms, make the number of magnesium atoms 2 on the left-hand side. Finally, to check if the equation is balanced, we count the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. When balancing chemical equations, it is usually best to start with atoms that only appear in one place on both sides of the equation. Elements like oxygen and hydrogen often appear in multiple compounds in the equation. It is best to balance these elements last. The physical states of the reactants and products are stated, along with their chemical formula, in order to make a chemical equation more informative. The various states of reactants and products, such as gaseous, liquid, aqueous, and solid, are represented by the notations G, L, A, Q, and S, respectively.